If you're struggling with hormonal chaos, stubborn fat, and low energy in this time of life, in midlife, you're not alone. What if I told you that fasting isn't just about skipping meals, but a powerful tool to improve your metabolism, balance your hormones, and even strengthen your faith journey? My name is Joy, and I'm a health and fasting coach, and I teach women how to balance their hormones, lose fat, and feel their best without crazy diets and restrictions. Today, I'm breaking down the top benefits of fasting in midlife and how it can transform you in your body, mind, and spirit. Okay, benefit number one, lose fat without starvation. Many midlife women struggle with weight gain, especially around the belly. And this is due to hormonal imbalances and a slower metabolism. When you fast, your body depletes glycogen, which is stored sugar, and starts burning fat for fuel. This is called ketosis. And ketosis helps you to shed fat without extreme dieting. Fasting also reduces your insulin level, which allows your body to access stored fat easier. High insulin levels created by eating too much or overeating highly processed food actually prevent fat burning. Fasting is different from starvation. Starvation is an uncontrolled deprivation, whereas fasting is taking a strategic pause from eating to allow your body to go into fat burning and to start to repair itself. When I first started fasting, I was shocked at how much easier it was to lose fat when I implemented fasting into my regimen. Instead of constantly thinking about what I was going to eat, I gave my body ample time to do what it was created to do, burn fat and repair itself. The second benefit of fasting is balancing your hormones and giving you some menopausal relief. As we enter perimenopause or menopause, estrogen, progesterone, and insulin fluctuate, leading to weight gain, mood swings, and fatigue. And how does fasting help in this hormone balance? Well, fasting, for one thing, it helps you to regulate your insulin. And this is often a key factor in weight gain and metabolic disorders. It also helps to regulate cortisol. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which leads to belly fat storage. Fasting, paired with a mindful lifestyle, can help regulate those cortisol levels. It helps to balance estrogen and progesterone. Fasting actually helps to support and detoxify your liver, helping it to better break down estrogen and progesterone and regulate these hormones as needed. This will help regulate bloating symptoms, mood swings, and those hot flashes. I hear from so many women that fasting has actually helped level out their mood, help them with their energy, and also help them lose fat and get rid of those hot flashes. The third thing that fasting can do for you is increase your energy and mental clarity. Women in midlife feel exhausted. Blood sugar crashes, poor sleep, and sluggish metabolism all lead to this feeling of fatigue. When fasting, your body shifts from burning glucose to burning ketones, which gives you more energy, more mental clarity. It's just a more stable energy source for your brain and for your body. It eliminates energy crashes from frequent eating or eating too many processed foods. Fasting stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning that even your cells produce more efficient energy. Fasting improves your brain function. It stimulates a process called autophagy. And this is a natural process where your body starts to clean out old, damaged zombie cells and then starts to repair or even create new ones. And this is especially beneficial for brain health. Many people experience sharper focus, less brain fog, and even improved memory while they're fasting. I remember when I first started fasting, I still had younger kids at home, and I had a lot of them at home. Some of them have moved on, but I still had them home, and I would have an afternoon crash. But when I started fasting, that even in the depths of motherhood, those crashes went away. I had more energy. I was more involved. I just attribute it to fasting because it gave me so much focus and energy. And benefit number 4 is deepened spiritual connection. We can't forget that fasting has been part of spiritual practices for centuries. Many religions, including Catholicism, Christianity, we've all used fasting as a discipline, as a way to grow closer to God. It teaches discipline, self-control, and reliance on God, not food. It strengthens our faith by stepping away of constantly eating or looking for that next thing to put in our mouth, we can spend more time in prayer, contemplating our God, reflecting on scripture, and seeking God's guidance in whatever situation that we are going through. Fasting helps us to break emotional eating habits and helps us to consider looking to God for comfort and fulfillment instead of looking for food. I have found that fasting isn't just about my physical health. It's about my spiritual well-being. It's a reminder that my body is a temple and taking care of it is a form of worship. So whether you're looking to lose fat, balance hormones, boost your energy, or grow in your faith, fasting is a powerful tool. Have you tried fasting? Have you noticed a difference, or what have you noticed for benefits from fasting? Share with me in the comments below. I would love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're wondering how to get started, if you're struggling with how to add in fasting to your lifestyle, stay tuned for my next video where I'll break it all down for you.